How to see my friend's location on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application on your device. Go to the locations and tap on settings, and if you have here you have to allow the permissions to turn on your location. Then after here you will be able to see the friend's location, and if you want to turn it out, here you just have to go to the settings and turn off the ghost mode, and you can choose the options who can see your location to my friends accept some or only those friends, so you can select any one of them, or you can also toggle on this option to hide my location, and this won't show your location to your friends. So that's all. In this way you can see your friends location on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.